Hey everybody, this is Eric for Planting Seeds for Life, and yes, I am sitting back in this chair again. However, I had an outdoor adventure today, and I just wanted to share a little bit of it with you. Today I went to pick up a neighbor to take him somewhere, and we got about 4 miles down the road and the car broke down. And so I had to call in reinforcements. I called a tow truck. I called my dad to finish taking my friend to where he needed to go. And then I I rode with the tow truck back to the shop where we took the car to. The guy said he would give me a call later on and let me know how many millions of dollars it was going to cost to fix my car. I told him I'd have to haggle with him. Anyway, then I went home, got a loaf of bread from the store on the way, and about the time I got home, my dad said that, I needed another vehicle, so he came by and gave me a ride back to his place, and we got that vehicle out of the snow and got it started, and now we're driving a 1995 Ford pickup truck, which is a pretty decent truck for as long as it's been around. I think the lesson that I would like to draw from this is that, friends and family are nice to be able to rely upon in times of trial. And it's not just friends and family. The Bible says God is an ever-present help in a time of trouble. And, one thing that I really noticed today was that in the negative 2-degree weather, all of my windows were freezing up, except for the back window. The back window, the sun was shining directly on it, and it was actually melting. That's what God's love does, people. It melts hearts. It melts. It makes enemies your friend. It takes a bad situation and makes it bearable. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.